Hello. Hi, Ben. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
All right. How are you?
I'm good today.
Okay. So, yeah, did you have fun today?
Yes, I do.
Oh, really? You did. So, what did you do?
I riding bicycles. I
Oh, really? Mm-hmm.
am playing. I'm playing football. Um,
Why are you covering your mouth? Who's that? Do you have a friend there?
yeah.
Do you have a friend?
No, my sister.
Oh, your sister. Oh, how old is your sister?
It's like 10 years old.
Oh, she's older than you, right?
Right.
But why are you laughing? Are you shy?
No.
You're not. Okay, you're just laughing. Okay, so you ride a bike today. Okay, and who did you play with?
I play with my sister.
With your sister. Okay, so you ride a bike together. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Oh, how's the weather today, Ben?
It's sunny today,
Oh, really? Because it's rainy here.
but at night it's rainy too.
Ah, it's rainy now.
Mm,
Is it
no.
raining
It's
now?
no.
Oh, no. But you said at night it's raining. Yesterday?
I
Mm. Yeah, it's a rainy day here, but it's sunny in Vietnam. Okay. So, yeah, let's continue our lesson now. So, where are we now here? Here, right? Okay, so
right.
we finished talking about antonyms last time. So, now let's move on to verbs with count and non count nouns. All right. So, what is a verb again? Before we start, what is verb?
Verb is
Mm-hmm. What does it say? So verbs are what are verbs? Verbs are action words, right? Verbs are action words, right? It shows action. It tells about what the things or people do, okay, or feel. All right. So those are verbs. Can you give me examples of verbs, Ben? Ben, can you give me examples of verbs?
um
And we also have be verbs, right? So we have be verbs. What are the be verbs?
wrong.
Is, are, right? Is, are, was, were. Okay. I am. So those are be verbs. Okay. All right. So when we say count and non-count nouns, so what are those? So what do we do? Please read this one. Ben, please read everything.
Use the singular or people popular verbs in something you can count
Mm-hmm.
turbines.
Yeah.
A wind turbine is used to make energy.
All right. And wind turbines.
Wind turbines are used to make electricity.
All right. So again, Ben, we can use singular or plural verb with something that we can count, right? So count like turbines. So it can be turbine, one turbine, two turbines. So we can count them. So we can use is or are. But what about the things that we can't count? What do we do for the things that we can't count? Please read this one.
Mm,
Use.
Use uh,
Mm-hmm.
sign singular verbs with something you can count.
Mm-hmm.
Electricity is necessary to keep a city light shines.
Mm-hmm. All right. So electricity is necessary to keep our city lights shining. Do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
So the word electricity, so we can't count it, right? So we need to use the verb which is singular, the singular verb, which is the word is or was. We can also use was for the things we can't count.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so I think you understand. Do you understand it?
Yes,
Do
I
you have questions here? So if none, let's answer the exercise here. Please read number one first, Ben. Oil.
number
Mm-hmm.
oil is oil is important fossil fuel that need for car.
Yeah, so we use oil. We use S for oil because we can't count oil. So oil is. Okay. All right. Number two.
Number two is windmills were used around the world when rain.
Mm-hmm. So windmills were used around the world to grind grain. Yes, that's right. So this is count noun. So we use where. Mm-hmm. Number three, please read.
Populations
Uh-huh.
carry
Pollution.
pollution carries many
Mhm. Creates. Create.
many problems in our world today.
All right. So pollution creates many problems in our world today. So the word pollution is it count noun or non-count noun?
Mm, yeah.
Hmm?
Mm,
We can count pollution. No, it's a non-count noun. We can't count it. So we use creates. Okay? We use the
mm,
singular verb. This is a verb, right? It's an action word. Right, Ben?
right.
Okay, so now, yeah. Can you give me an example, Ben? Use, use the verb with count and non-count nouns. Yeah, just two sentences. Just give me
Mm,
your own example. Hello, Ben.
yeah.
Yeah, do you understand what I said?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm, um,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
You don't know. Just think of a count noun first. Think of a count noun.
Mm,
There are lots of nouns, right? So nouns are name of people, places, things, events, or idea. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. So give me an example of noun first. A noun that you can count. Count nouns. Nouns that you can count. Just like people, flowers, animals, maybe countries. Those are count nouns, right?
Right.
All right, maybe use people in a sentence. You have to use a verb. Please use people.
Mm, there are lots of people on the
Hmm?
Mm,
There, what?
there was many people
There
on the.
was? But people is plural. It's more than one, right? People is more than one. One is person, two or more are people. Hmm?
Mm,
So how do we make it? So people,
two.
mm-hmm. Okay,
The
please say the sentence again, Ben. People, there,
pe-
uh-huh.
people they are playing games.
People are, the people are
The
playing
people.
games. Okay, the people are playing games. Yeah. So we use are because people, the word people is plural, right? So we have to use are. And people is a count noun. All right, so now give me an example of non count noun. A noun that you can't count. So you need to use a singular verb, Ben.
Mm, okay.
Hmm? Just give me an example of a non count first. Non count noun.
Mm, mm, Pollution.
Oh no, something that's not here. Something that is not here.
Mm, mm, mm,
Ben.
mm, mm. I don't know.
What? Give me an example of a non count noun. What about water? You know water?
Yeah.
Water. Water is a noun, right? It's because it's a thing. It's a thing. So what is water? Is it count noun or non-count noun? Do you understand non-count and count noun? Non-count noun. Okay? Non-count nouns are nouns that we can't count. Or maybe okay, do you understand it now?
Yes.
Yeah, so we couldn't count. We can't count. Just like water, we can't count water. So we use is. Okay? So water is what? Please use
The
it in a sentence. Water is
the water is mm, the water
water
is
is what? Water is what?
the
Mm-hmm.
mm, the water is
cold. The water is cold. The water is very important for us to live. Okay? Right? Right, Ben?
Right.
Are you tired now, Ben?
No.
Okay. So we have the big question here, Ben. So I think you know the answer here. So where does energy come from, Ben?
Energy
Yeah. Yes.
come from oil.
Energy comes from
Energies come from no
oil,
oil and mm, mm, mm,
coal,
wind.
wind. Yeah, that's right. Fossil fuels, right?
Right.
What else?
Um. Mm, trees.
What? Energy comes from trees? Oh no, Ben. It's from the sun, right? Oh, maybe you mean the fossil fuel. The fossil fuels are from trees and plants and animals that are buried a long time ago, million years ago. Maybe that's what you mean. Yeah, we call them fossil fuels, right? But we can't cut a tree and get energy there from there. So we need to wait for a million years. Million years. All right. So yeah, so the sources of energy we have now. So we have solar energy from the sun, we have wind energy, we have the oil, the fossil fuels, right? And sometimes I think we can also get energy from water.
It sounds.
Yeah, yeah. I think we can also have. But it's not here in the book. We didn't study about it here in the book. Okay, maybe you will learn about it in science class. Okay, so
Bicycle.
hmm? Yeah,
Bicycle make energy too.
bicycle has energy.
Like
Yeah, that's right. What energy? It has mechanical
mm,
energy, right? Right?
okay.
Do you know that?
Yes.
Mechanical energy, right, Ben? We can also generate electricity from bicycle, from something that's moving. Okay, so now we will learn about these words, Ben. Okay, let's talk about these words. So we have the first word here, Ben. Can you read?
And subway.
Subway. Yeah, two. The next one.
Mm, Fire
Fire engine. Fire engine, right?
and
Engine. Fire
fire and
engine, like fire truck. Yeah, it's the other word for fire truck. And we have mhm,
carpool.
carpool. Yeah, next one.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Yeah, and this one.
Escalator.
Escalator. Escalator. All right, the next one.
Is train.
Train. This one.
Yes. Is taxi.
Taxi. All right, this one.
Is elevator.
Elevator. And this one.
Is helicopter.
And the last word is
Is traffic jam.
traffic jam. All right, so let's go back to the first one. So we have here subway. So Ben, what is a subway? Hmm.
It's like a train, but it is
Yeah. but it, how is it different from train?
Is
Subway is,
is
hmm?
fast,
It's faster.
have
Okay.
fly,
Yeah, and yeah, it's faster, and it's also underground, right? Subway is an underground train. You know underground?
but here I'm on
Hmm?
on the end.
Hmm?
But here I go by on the ground.
What here?
At Vietnam,
In
the subway.
Vietnam? Oh,
Yeah,
the subway is not underground in Vietnam.
yeah,
Oh, really? Is it really subway?
yeah.
Oh, really? Let me check. Subway. Yeah, it's a tunnel. A subway is a tunnel, so it's maybe we can check subway. Is it really subway in Vietnam? It's not underground.
Pedro.
No, not Subway food. What is it showing me Subway?
Here. Mm.
Hmm?
Its name is Metro.
What is a Subway? Let's check. No, no, not this one. This one, Subway, it's an underground railway system used to transport large numbers of passengers within
Mm.
urban and suburban areas. So, Subway is underground.
It's Metro.
Hmm?
Uh, you can like subway Pedro. You write that.
What should I write?
Mm, subway Pedro.
Subway
P
P
E T.
petrol.
Yes.
That one? Vietnam?
Yes. At Vietnam.
In Ho Chi Minh City?
Yes.
Petrol.
Here.
This one?
Yes.
It's not. First subway.
Yes.
It's not underground.
Yes.
Why? Maybe it's not subway. We see, but it says here subway. Oh, we call it metro rail system. We call it metro rail system here. We also have that one, but we call it metro rail system. It's like train. Okay. Oh yeah, but usually subway is underground. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's have the next one. We have here fire engine. Okay, so fire engine. So what is a fire engine, Ben?
My engine is like mm, fire car.
Fire car. Actually, yeah, a fire engine is actually a fire truck. Okay, fire truck. Okay, fire engine is a fire truck. So who uses the fire engine?
The firefighters.
Yeah, of course, the firefighters. Do you know what the engine has? What
Mm,
do fire engines have?
the fire engine
What do firefighters use that are in the fire engine?
Okay. Two, one, what?
What do you call this? What do you call this? No, 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 no.
Mm, fire.
Fire engines that have that, right? The firefighters uses that. So what do you call it? I just don't know how to draw. Ah, what is it?
Is mm, ladder.
Yeah, a ladder. Yeah. So what do they use a ladder for? Why do they need a ladder? Why do firefighters use a ladder?
To go for the um, like top floor.
Yeah, so they can reach the tall buildings, right? So if they need to save people, or maybe the fire is on the upper floor of the building, so they can reach it using the ladder. Yeah. All right, what else do they have here in the fire engine? What about this one? What about maybe something like this?
I know it. What?
What is it?
Like,
But it should be long and long, long, long. And there's water here. I don't know how to draw. What is it, Ben?
is
Starts with the letter H. What is it, Ben?
hole.
A hose. A hose. Yeah, so what is a hose?
A hole is like
What what do they do with the hose?
they the hole will spread out the water to
Yeah. To the fire. Right. Yeah, that's what they use to put out
um,
the fire. Yeah. So the water comes out of the hose from the fire engine. And yeah, I think the fire engine also they it has water. Yeah, they also bring water from the fire engine. Yeah. And sometimes from the fire hydrant. Okay, fire hydrant. Okay, if there are fire hydrants, so they can use it to get water. All right, so I think we don't have enough time, Ben, so we will continue with carpool on our next class. Okay? All right. So goodbye, Ben. See you next time.
thank you, teacher.
All right.
Thank you.
Mhm.